All right, hello kindergarten. We have been practicing clapping and saying the parts of the word in small group with Mrs. Morrow and Miss B. Today we're going to work on that a little bit more. Are you ready? Let's say and clap the parts of the word. The first word we're going to do, cat. Say it with me, cat. Now watch me first. Just watch. Cat. How many times did I clap? 1. Now we do. Ready? Say it and clap it. Ready? Cat. So we did it 1 time. Let's try another word. Chick. Ready? Chick. Watch me first. Chick. How many times did I clap? 1. Please do it with me now. Ready? Chick. So I clapped 1 time. Okay. So cat, chick, 1 part. Okay? We only clapped 1 time. I've got another one. Ready? Raccoon. Raccoon. I wonder if that's going to have more than 1 part. Let's try it. Ready? I'm going to do it first. Raccoon. Ah. Did you hear it? Raccoon. Oh. Let's do it together. Because I'm hearing more than 1 clap. More than 1 part of the word. Ready? Do it with me. Raccoon. 2 parts. Did you hear it? Let's do it 1 more time. Raccoon. 2 parts. Okay. So some words like cat, chick, 1 part. Some words like raccoon, 2 parts. Now you're going to show me what you know. Let's clap it out and figure it out, okay? Let's see what I've got here. Bus. Let's clap it. I'm going to tap it, actually, on my elbow. Bus. How many times did you clap or tap? 1. Let's do it again. Bus. Okay, 1 for bus. Now I'm going to test you and see what you know. Ready? Show me what you know. Clap it or tap it. Cat. 1 part. 1 syllable. All right, now I think I'm going to, let's do this one. What is this? Bird. Ready? Bird. 1 time. Very good. All right, I think you're ready for more. Let's see. This one's a good one. Let's clap it. Turtle. Did you hear 2? Turtle. Turtle. 2. Good job. What is this? It's not a watermelon. It's not a piece of cheese. Carrot. Ready? Carrot. 2. Carrot. 2 syllables, 2 parts. Let's try this one. Monkey. You can actually hear that when you say it. Monkey. Let's clap it again. Monkey. 2 parts. I clapped 2 times. Okay? Let's see. Ooh, this one's fun. Let's clap it. Balloon. How many times did you clap for that? Balloon. 2. 2 times. Do you think that words can be broken into more than 2 parts? So some words have 1 part, cat. Some words have 2 parts, raccoon. I wonder if anything has 3 parts. Let's clap this out. Banana. Banana. I think that was 3. Let's double check it. Banana. 3. Words can have 3 parts, 3 syllables. That's crazy. Let's do it one more time. Banana. 3. Good job. All right, now we're going to switch it up. You're going to show me what you know. Is this 1, 2, or 3? Toothbrush. Here we go. Toothbrush. Toothbrush. 2. All right, the next one, is it 1, 2, or 3? Goat. 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 Last one. Tricycle. Ready? Here we go. Tricycle. That was a lot. Let's do it again. Tricycle. Tricycle. 3. Great job. So words can be broken into 1 part, 2 parts, or 3 parts. And we figure that out by clapping and listening for the syllables. Okay? When we do that and we break down the words, it actually helps us read and it helps us write. So, great job clapping out your 1-syllable words like cat, your 2-syllable words like raccoon, and your 3-syllable words like tricycle. Great job. See you tomorrow.